A very pleasant morning to all my students. This is our online class for general awareness subject. And for today's class, you need your general awareness book, World Around Me, and your general awareness notebook. So first of all, keep both the things with you and your pencil and eraser as well. So let's just begin the class by opening our general awareness book. Students, in the last video, we have done a topic, let's play with colors. And today we'll learn a new topic which is my body. And this topic is in page number 15. So first of all, open page number 15. The topic name is my body. As you know that this is our date box in which we write the date firstly. So let's just write the date. As today is 9, so write down 9 here. Then a hyphen, then 6, again a hyphen, and then 2, 0, 2, 0. As I told you that the topic name is my body. So, you know that God has given us a perfect body with so many parts. You can see that our body is made up of so many parts, different parts, and you know that each body parts has a specific task. From top to bottom, we have different parts in our body, and in each body parts has different work. So in this video, we are going to learn about the body parts and their work as well. So first of all, write down here classwork. Write down C and then W. See, this is how we have a body. You can do one thing, that you can stand in front of mirror and then match the body parts with yours. क्या कर सकते हैं आप? मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाइए एंड जो भी मैं बॉडी पार्ट्स बता रही हूँ उसके अपने बॉडी पार्ट से मैच करते जाइए. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट बिगिन. सी, this is our head, this is our head, this is our head, okay, and these are hair, these are hair. We all have hair, no? Touch your hair. Yes, okay. After the hair, these are eyes. What are these? Eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. 1 eye, 2 eye means 2 eyes. How many eyes do we have? 2 eyes. See, this is also having 2 eyes. So, just see how many eyes do you have. Okay, see in the mirror and then tell me how many eyes do you have. You must have 2 eyes. Okay, now moving forward, this is our nose. This is our nose. How many nose do we have? We have 1 nose. How many nose? 1 nose. So this is our nose. You must also have 1 nose. 1 nose. And what are these? These are 2 lips. And this is called our mouth. This is our mouth and these are 2 lips. Here we can also see this is our mouth, this is our mouth, and these are 2 lips. Now this is our neck, this is our neck, this is our neck. After neck, moving forward, these are hands, these are hands. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. How many hands? 2. 1 hand, 2 hand. Means we all have 2 hands. Just check it once. How many hands do you have? 2, no? So we have 2 hands. And each hand we have 5 fingers. How many fingers we have? 5 fingers. Let's just count. 1 is thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers do we have? 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total we have 10 fingers. 5 in each this hand and 5 in this hand. So these are the hands and we have 2 hands. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands and we have 10 fingers. Okay, and these are our legs. These are our legs. And these are feet. These are feet. We have 2 feet, no? And each feet have 5 fingers. Means total we have 10 fingers. We will see again that here 2 eyes, 1 nose, 2 ears, 1 mouth, 2 lips, 1 neck, 2 hands, okay, 10 fingers and 2 feet. So we have seen the parts of our body. Now we are going to see their work. Now we will see that what the work is each part do. So let's just see. Students, tell me, what are the use of your eyes? Eyes से क्या करते हैं हम? Eating? No. With eyes we can see different things. We can see the beauty of the nature. Eyes से हम क्या करते हैं? We see. What we do with our nose? With the help of nose, we smell things. What we do? We smell. With mouth, we speak. With mouth, we speak and we also eat our food. With our ears, we listen. We listen different sound. With hands, we hold things. With our hands, we hold things. We write, we draw. And with our feet, we walk. Now, look in the book. What is written here? Match the parts of the body with the actions by tracing along the dotted lines. As there are the body parts and these are their works. So what we need to do? We will just trace the body parts to match with their work. Tell me, which body part is this? These are our hands. These are hands. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. We have 2 hands. How many hands? 2 hands. And what are the uses of hands? With the help of hand, we hold our things. Like I am holding this pencil with the help of my hands. We also color things. We write things. We draw things with the help of our hand. Look, this is our hand. And these are the nails. These are the nails. These are called fingers. And this is our thumb. So, how many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. And now, match the hand with their work. As with the help of hand, what we can do? We can hold things and we can also color. So, put a pencil here and trace. Like this. Now, the second body part is feet. These are feet. How many feet we have? We have 2 feet. We have 2 feet. And we also have fingers in them. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total we have 10 fingers. And what are the uses of feet? With feet we can walk, we can run and we can jump as well. What we can do? We can walk, we can run and we can jump. So match the feet with their work by tracing like this. Moving forward, our next body part is mouth. Next body part is mouth. See, this is mouth. And in mouth, these are 2 lips. These are the lips and this is tongue. Actually, in mouth we have 3 parts. First is tongue. Take out your tongue. बाहर करिए ऐसे tongue and look in the mirror. And these are the lips and these are teeth. So what are the uses of the mouth? With mouth we can eat different things. We can eat tasty meals and we can speak. जो भी खाते हैं तो हम माउथ की हेल्प से ही खाते हैं ना. एंड वी च्यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर टीथ. टीथ की हेल्प से हम च्यू करते हैं. सो what is the uses of mouth? To eat and to speak. Now moving forward, these are ears. These are ears. How many ears do we have? Count your ears. Yes, we have 2 ears. How many ears? 2 ears. And what are the uses of ears? The uses of ear: to listen music, and to listen whatever your parents are saying. As you are listening my video na, you are listening it with the help of your ear and you are watching it with the help of your eyes. इस वीडियो को आप सुन भी रहे हैं, देख भी रहे हैं. So you are listening with your ear. So our next body part is eyes. Eyes. So how many eyes do we have? कितनी eyes है? Count करिए. So we have 2 eyes. How many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. And we can see different things, like you can see the sky, you can see the sun, you can see the cloud, you can see the trees by using your eyes, with the help of your eyes only. Okay, so eyes are helpful to see. Now our last one is nose. This is nose. And how many nose do we have? We have only 1 nose. But nose is very useful to us, because with nose only we breathe and we smell things. Now let's just have a look again. First one is hand, and hand is useful to hold thing and to color, to draw. The next one is feet. With the help of feet we can walk, we can run, and we can also jump. And this is the mouth. With the help of mouth we eat, we speak. The next is ears. We have 2 ears, and with the help of ears we can listen different sounds. Now the next one is eye, and we have 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes, and eyes help us to see. Now the next is nose, and we have 1 nose. With the help of nose we can breathe and smell. So just do one thing. This is an activity, but very important activity. Stand in front of mirror, okay, and then notice your all the body parts, point them and name them aloud. मिरर के सामने खड़े होना है, सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को देखना है और उनके सब के नाम आपको जोर जोर से बोलना है. और ऑल्सो काउंट दैट कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट्स आपके नंबर कितने हैं, लाइक हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स डू वी हैव, हाउ मेनी नोज डू वी हैव. ओके, गुड डे, मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.